You're wondering whether you should choose Facebook as your first platform for your social media strategy? Keep watching, because I'm going to tell you about benefits and drawbacks of going all in on Facebook. So, if you haven't watched the previous videos about how to start your social media strategy, make sure you watch them on the playlist, because I'm going to be explaining how to start if you're new on social media. In this video, we're going to be talking about benefits and drawbacks of Facebook and why it could be good or bad platform for your business depending on what your business is. So, one of the benefits of Facebook is that it's one of the biggest platforms in the world. Most people that you already know have Facebook. Facebook also allows you to present your brand in many different ways, through images, through links, in groups, and so on. So it gives you a lot of possibility to present your brand in different ways. Facebook is also really good if you want to personalize your brand and kind of humanize it, because you can put different types of content that is very engaging. Facebook also makes it very easy to engage with your audience. You can have quite in-depth conversation, private messaging, you can have groups, and many other features that make your communication very easy. Also, almost everybody that will hear of your brand from different sources will try and find you on Facebook. So this is kind of a go-to platform for many people. Also, Facebook has been developing quite intensively Facebook Watch, which means that they're focusing very heavily on video content, and that also offers you monetization. So in the future, if you put a lot of video content, you might be able to monetize on that and put adverts on it, brand deals, and so on. Also, another feature that has been developing a lot on Facebook is Facebook Groups, which actually gives you genuine insight to where your people hang out. So you can find groups on any single subject, and when you're starting on social media, you can start already engaging with people in those groups. So what are the drawbacks? The drawbacks is reduced organic reach. So when you put the post up, only a fraction of your followers would actually see your post on the timeline. So it can become quite difficult to even compete for attention of your followers. If your main goal is conversion people into clients, you might have to invest some money into Facebook ads to actually be seen, because as I mentioned before, the organic reach is not that big on Facebook anymore. Also, Facebook favors variety of content. So to be liked by Facebook and to be shown to bigger audience, it is the best to provide images, written content, links, articles, videos, even live streams, and maybe even stories. So for people that can provide or are just comfortable with one type of content, this might not be an ideal platform. So that is it. Those are benefits and drawbacks of Facebook. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you get the notifications about the future videos. I hope it gave you some clarity about Facebook and what can be the benefits and drawbacks for your company. See you soon.